Today from the chapter number 5, factors and multiples, we will do the topic prime factorization. As the name suggests, prime factorization, which means prime and factor. So a composite number which can be expressed as the product of its prime factors. The process by which it is taken out is known as prime factorization method or prime factorization process. Now we could take out prime factors by two methods, factor tree and short division. Today we will discuss about the short division method. I have taken a number 144 which is also given in your exercise, and we will try to learn about it, how this factorization is done. Now in this 144 is written here, and we will stretch a line here and make a dash line here. Okay, now here we will always write the prime factors or the prime numbers, and here all the factors would be coming out, hence the name prime factorization method. Okay, now what are those prime numbers which you have to learn? 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Okay, these must be on your fingertips. That would make the prime factorization method easy for you. Okay, we will divide this number, we will divide this composite number as long as the quotient of that divisible number comes out to be 1. Now first of all we will write here 2. Now 144 divided by 2 comes out to be 72. This you have to solve here. Okay, I am solving it right now so that it now 72 divided by 2 comes out to be 36. We will write here prime numbers starting from 2. As long as 2 does not come, then 3 will come, then 5 will come, then 7 will come, and so on. Okay, now we will again write 2 because 36 is easily divisible by 2, so it comes out to be 18. Okay, now we will again write 2 because 18 is easily divisible by 2. Now 18 divided by 2 comes out to be 9. Now we will again write 2. No, why? Because 9 is not divisible by 2. So what we will write? 3. Okay, so 3 into 3 is 9. Now we will again write 3 here. Okay, so it comes out to be 1. Okay, this comes out to be 1. When the quotient comes out to be 1, we have to stop this whole process, and we will write all these numbers, all these prime number here. This is the answer. 2 into 2 into 2, then again 2, then 3, and then again 3. Okay, this is the answer of this number. This comes out to be 144. 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, and 48 into 3 144. So this will be the answer of this prime factorization method. Okay, I hope you all are clear with this topic. That's it for today. Thank you.